Okay. Hello there. How are you doing today? Better, I assume?
Go away. Give me my spoon back.
Mm,
Give me my spoon back.
never.
Why did you take my spoon?
Because it's an experiment. You're obsessed with the spoon. Okay? Would you freak out if I broke the spoon?
I would kill myself.
Why?
I love spoons.
Why are you obsessed with spoons?
Because spoons feed people and feeding is awesome.
Would you still want your spoon back if I licked it?
Yes. Give me my spoon.
Try and get your spoon. Let's see. You can try and get your spoon.
Here, yes, bag hole.